Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 72 C10. Got it from a neighbor kid here. He put aftermarket gauges in it. Blinker to the left works. Blinker to the right works. Horn doesn't work because it's got some little stupid aftermarket steering wheel. Fan works. Wipers work. Oh, that's a push button start. Huh. So, turn the lights on there. Rebuilt motor, rebuilt tranny, seat headers on it, power brakes, no power steering. Originally a 354 barrel. This is a 350 out of a 76 model vehicle. Drives good. Good sounding dual exhaust. Any questions? 605-695-7391.